What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy Monday. Let's see what this week brings for Bitcoin. Last week, actually, we saw some inflows. We're going to discuss the inflows that last week saw, although we saw the price of Bitcoin drop. People did buy the dip all over the world. We're going to see how the week closed, okay, because the week closed this last night, Sunday. Today's Monday when I'm making this video. And we're going to take a look at a few altcoins. Okay, we're going to take a look at 4 altcoins: Toshi, Kai, Neural, and Navi. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right. So we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly. This is the, try to make this a little bit bigger. This is the current week we're on, Monday, okay? And this is the week that just passed. Look at that big drop, but also it's not all bad. Look at this wick right here. All right, we dropped down last week as low as 53,539, right around there. And we closed at 55,800, okay? Now, it would have been nice to see it up here, up higher, 58 above this, but right now we are just underneath it. We have had 4 weeks in a row. During this time, since February 28th, we have seen another 4 week in a row one right here. April 1st to the 24th, right? I'm sorry, April 1st through April 22nd, okay? 4 weeks in a row dropping, and then that. So it could be that we do see something like that, maybe. And then, but I don't know, because of the ongoing Mt. Gox sales, I don't know that we do see like a big reversal coming up. Hopefully people are buying the dip. But we'll see. Right now the fight is really to get over 58,164. Okay, to get back above this line right here that we see. Okay, right now we've been rejected. We got up there this morning, but we've been rejected. Right now we're at 57,290. Let's see how long we last down there. Now, I have seen more and more people start saying, okay, you know, maybe it is that we are trying to resynchronize with previous cycles, and that we do spend time going sideways, and that I've been saying that to you guys for a while now. I mean, I have been wrong on some things, but I've been for the most part right, generally right. But when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. For example, I didn't expect us to drop below here, and we did. We dropped way lower. But right now, we're hugging this. And I did say, you know, if we do drop below here, I could imagine us kind of hugging it, staying close, and that's basically what we're doing. Where we are right now is okay. It is, to me, acceptable. Okay. Yesterday, let's take a look at the on the daily what happened Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, we tried to get up over this line. We didn't. We actually closed just above it, and then Sunday we gave it all back and then some, right? And then today, Monday, although we did drop late last night, I saw us that we dropped to 54,000. I was already going to bed, so I'm like, we'll see what happens tomorrow. And then I woke up. First thing I checked is crypto, and one of the news things said it was at 58,000. And I checked. I'm like, what the heck? It's at 57,000. So it was up at 58,000. It couldn't keep it again. Let's see if we try this week to try to make that happen. Now, while we dropped last week, right? Where is it? There was a total of $441 million of inflows for digital asset investment products. Okay, all over the world. Okay, the U.S., Hong Kong, Switzerland, and Canada in that order. The U.S. Most of the inflows came from the U.S., then by Hong Kong, then by Switzerland, and by Canada. And to no one's surprise, Germany saw outflows. But that's positive. People are buying the dip. People aren't, although there are a lot of people that are negative and saying this was the top, this is over, and now it's done. I just don't believe that. It doesn't look like that. It doesn't look like that. And while we are dropping a bit, I don't know that we continue to drop too much more. Okay, I'm gonna say that we hug this line maybe this week, and hopefully as we get closer towards the end of July, hopefully we'll be above it. But we'll see. It depends on German government again. And the Mt. Gox sales, okay? They have started redistributing. I don't know if the people have been selling or what. There are still quite a few exchanges that they have to send. Mt. Gox has to send the Bitcoins to, and then the exchanges have to send to the creditors, and then we'll see what the creditors do. So there's still some possible downside to be had, okay? But it's all right. It's all right. 3,000 Bitcoin moved this morning by German government, and let's see what they do with that. But things look pretty good. I like the fact that there was $441 million worth of inflow. So people were in fact looking at this as a buying opportunity. Okay, and that's why we haven't really dropped too much. Okay, so hopefully that buying those sales will sit there and keep us around these levels, even though there's going to be selling pressure from Mt. Gox and from probably the German government. But hopefully they won't drag us down to 50,000. Although some people are saying 50, 44,000. We'll see. We got to take it day by day. Okay. Let's take a look quickly at Bitcoin dominance. Okay, going down. Haven't been able to go below this. Get over this line right here. So that's interesting. We'll see how much longer we're going to go sideways for. Let's go what the others are doing. Others rebounding as well. Bitcoin goes up. Everything else goes up, guys. We're nice at $211 billion market cap for others. That's others. Remember, is the top 10 excluding. I'm sorry, the total crypto market cap excluding the top 10. Okay. And let's see what else did I want to see. Let's see what the Dow Jones is doing. NASDAQ, S&P. This is exactly what we want to see. Eventually, guys, we are going to see this part, I think, from Bitcoin. I believe that we are. Look at the sideways movements. We could see more of that, but eventually it's gonna pop up, guys. We just have to kill a little bit more time. Let's see. Hopefully, maybe this week we break over it. You never know, and maybe we spend some time over here, or we spend this week underneath it. I don't know that we drop too much. I mean, barring a black swan, barring anything, I am very bullish. I am extremely bullish, especially as we get closer and closer to the end of the summer. Okay, once we get past the summer, once we get past July and into August, I'm going to become even more bullish, and I would be shocked if we dropped more in that time. I would be shocked if we are not in August if we are not above $60,000, $61,000, closer to $70,000 up here in August. That's what I'm going to say. All right, so let's leave that there, and let's take a look at some altcoins, because that's what I like to focus on. Although I am out of capital, you guys might not be. Hopefully a lot of you aren't, and so let me bring some interesting projects to your attention. First one, a meme project called Kaiken. Okay, the last Inu. Okay, 9.1 million market cap, 631,000 volume, and look at this nice chart. It's been going up. It's been strong. Okay, it's been strong. 702185. You have to buy it on Uniswap, but they're making moves. These guys are making moves. I follow them on Twitter. If you don't have Twitter, you need to get Twitter and really start getting into what they say in Twitter. I mean, there's a lot of crap, but there's also a lot of good information. You can follow your projects and see what they're doing, and that's what you should be doing. Okay, so that's Kaiken, 9.1 million. I expect some good things out of that. Next, actually, let's keep it on the memes. Next one, Toshi at 88.7 million market cap. That's great. This is, I mean, anything less than 100, less than 90 million, fantastic. Maybe it drops a little bit more. I don't have any more capital. I wish I did. I would make one more buy at this level, because I expect big things from Toshi too. Toshi on Base, Kai was on Ethereum. You can buy them both on Uniswap, but you have to have a MetaMask that has the base network, so you can use Base to buy this on Uniswap. Okay, and Kai, same on Uniswap, but you have to have the Ethereum network to buy that one. Next, Neural AI. These guys are going to be successful, in my opinion. 15 million market cap. Look at that right now, and it looks like it's basically bottoming out right here. We'll see what happens. My average buy price is $2.09. Right now, it's at $1.57. There is a 4% sales tax on this, but Neural is, I think, going to do extremely well. 15 million market cap. You're buying it super early. And finally, Atlas Navi. Don't sleep on this project, guys. If you like cars, I mean, the thing is GPS, and they are getting a lot of traction. Just like Neural, they're a company that's actually getting traction. They're actually making revenue. Atlas Navi is the same. Now, it's not necessary that a company can be successful and then the coin has to be successful too. I mean, take a look at Ripple, for example. They have, from what I understand, a successful company, but the token hasn't benefited from that yet, right? I'm not a XRP guy, but same type of thing. So you got to keep that. You got to keep that in mind when you're looking at these projects. But still, I mean, this is probably the most successful project as far as having a successful company, having a successful product where people are actually using it. Over 100,000 users of their GPS system, Atlas Navi. Definitely one to take a look at 14 cents. It's given back most of these gains, so I mean, you're buying it really great. I would love to buy right now at 14 cents. I don't know if I have the capital. I don't have the capital. I'd have to sell something in right now. I don't really want to sell anything, although that might change. All right, so just take a look at that. Keeps dropping, right? Maybe it drops a little bit more, but I mean, it dropped down to 11 cents, and we'll see what happens. But 14 cents, I would buy this. If it keeps going down, I would buy more. It's a good project. All right, so there you have it. What is the market cap on Navi? Let's take a quick look. Really quick, so I don't. Wow, ETH gas fees are at 2. Whew. If you have to do some ETH stuff, probably right now is the best time. It's as cheap as it's gonna get. Fully diluted is at 42 million. All right, and the market cap is 7.3 million. But I'd want to double check on that because CoinMarketCap doesn't always have these numbers correct. Okay, let's take a look really quick at. Forget what it's called. My sniper. No. CryptoRank. That's what it is. CryptoRank.io. Let's take a look at Navi here. Okay. Says market cap is 22.65 million and the fully diluted is 42 million. Still not bad. Still pretty good, guys. Still pretty good. Good numbers. I like this project. Definitely one to check out. Definitely one to check out for sure. Take a look at their website really quick. Drive to Earn AI navigation app with licensed vehicle NFTs, guys. This thing could be huge. This thing could be huge. Shows all the numbers, video galleries. Vision, nice clean website. Atlas Navi, don't sleep on it, guys. Don't sleep on it. It's a good one. The ones that I gave you today, Toshi, Kai, Neural, Navi, all good projects that I think are gonna do well. Meme plays are here to stay at least during this cycle. I don't know about next cycle, probably, but you got to have some type of exposure if you to have a well-rounded portfolio. In my opinion, I do, anyways. Toshi and Kai are some good ones. Neural is another one that they do AI. I mean, sorry, 3D images. They make it really easy for companies, gaming projects to generate 3D images. So they're gonna do really well, very niche. And then Atlas Navi we just saw, that looks pretty awesome. So there we are. Hopefully this week we will see a rebound by Bitcoin, but we'll see. We'll take it day by day. Right now Bitcoin's at 57,168, and I don't know how much lower we go. I think we kind of stay around here, but we'll see. We'll take it day by day. All right, guys, if you can, please like, subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel and all that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.